Hey, of course, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I have a wig that I want to share with you guys from XRS Beauty. All the links to this wig will be in my description box down below, just in case you are interested. If I have any coupon codes, I will list them below. This is what the packaging looks like, and it's a really nice presentation. I love a good packaging, but we're really not that worried about the packaging. I know we're more so worried about the wig. Now, I have worked with this company multiple times, and they always come through with a bomb wig, so I'm not like hesitant about trying this wig. They never disappoint. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, and I know y'all like, oh my gosh, she cut her hair. Yes, I did cut my hair. It was time for a change. Y'all, I just had to get rid of it. I just want to start over. So I did cut it. Well, I got it cut into like this nice little bob. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen the transformation or the change. But anyway, the box, that we're not worried about that. So this is what the box looks like when you open it. This is the wig who comes in the box. They got a couple goodies in here. I hate showing y'all what comes in the box, because most of the time when you guys purchase the wig, like, I feel like they be like charging y'all for little shit like this. But I'm not sure if this actually comes with the hair when you purchase it, or you have to buy it. But it came with this comb. It came with a little edge brush, an elastic band. It also came with a wig cap, and it came with some flexi rods, which I can appreciate, because you know these wig companies be sending me flexi rods all the time, and it just adds up, so I don't have to go out and spend my money on flexi rods. I'm saying it like I be flexi rod in my hair all the time, but I don't. So I'm gonna have like the wig details on the screen, but right here it says that it's an 18-inch and it's 200% density. This is also supposed to be, and this is also supposed to be their new clear lace, which I tried like the clear lace one other time. I can't remember what company it was, but it doesn't matter because we focus it on this company. But they gave you an example of like the new clear lace and then the transparent lace, which I think everybody know how transparent lace operates, and it just be hella white. So that is the transparent lace compared to the clear lace. And I don't know if y'all can see how that's blending with my hand, but you can clearly see that the clear lace off to, I think it will be your right, my left. That's what it looks like. Yeah, you can totally see the difference. Or, hold on. Sorry I got all these bumps on my chest, but look. So, ew. Alright, on to this wig, because I'm excited. These wigs always just turn out really, really nice. Why come with a stocking cap in here? I don't know what that's about, but that's kind of gross. Alright, so, because this is my first time taking this out the packaging, and it had, and the stocking cap is like not new, you know what I'm saying? So this is a 13x6 lace front. So here is construction. They do give you the two combs off to the side, focus. They also give you a comb in the middle, a comb in the back with a little bit of lace, and the adjustable straps. And here's the good part. The lace is already, come on, I hate when my camera don't focus. The lace is already, I mean not the lace, the hairline is already nicely pre-plucked, so you're not going to have to worry about plucking the lace or bleaching the knots, because the knots are bleached, are lightly bleached, as you can see. So no work is being put into this wig. I ain't plucking no knots. I feel like if you pluck the hairline anymore, it's gonna be bald. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on for you, but the quality feels very amazing. Now this is a silky texture and it's a straight texture as well. Alright, so I do have my black stocking cap. Y'all know how I feel about my black stocking cap. I don't even have to put my hair in a ponytail no more, y'all. And my ponytail is so miniature. I'm just not used to it because, you know, when your hair not done, I just rely on my ponytail so much. Which I could still get a ponytail in, but it's just no length. It's real bad. But the ponytail for me was kind of like pulling my hair in the front. So that was another issue that I was having. I feel like if I got shorter hair, I'll be forced to wear it out and I won't have so much tension on my edges and stuff like that. So, alright, let's try this wig on before I go ahead and cut off the lace. And let me tell you the fit. Now the fit of this wig is really, really good. This is the hairline. As you can see, it looks amazing. This is the length. And again, I think it was 18 inches. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with this hair. It's probably going to be something simple because I have so many other wigs to show you. But yeah, the quality of this hair is really, really good. I want to see the price point. Alright, y'all, here we are. So let's pull up this wig so you guys can get an idea of how much this wig actually is. So right here it says New Clear HD Lace and Clean Melted Hairline. Now this is called the Human Hair HD Lace Front Wig Straight 13x6 New Clear Lace and Clean Hairline. So it has a little hefty review, not too many, but it's enough. So I have a natural hair color. It also comes in 2 and 4. I have 200% density, so we're going to click on that. And I also have 18 inches, so we're going to click on that. Where the price at though? So that brings the price to $392. Now, of course, depending on which length and density you get. So if you get 18 inches, 150 density, it comes to $373. What was it before? $373, $392. Okay. 16 inches, $358. They even got 30 inch, which will be $800. 32, that's $912. 28, 700, so forth. So yeah, if you wanted this in 250% density and 18 inches, it would be $407. So definitely think it's worth the price point, because I know that these wigs do last, because again, I have tried a few of their wigs and they always come through every time. So yeah, let's hop off of this. So I'm going to go ahead, cut off the lace, and then I'll come back and start applying the wig and everything. But I'm also going to speed this video up. If I feel as though I need to come in and start talking, then I'll do so. But y'all just sit back and enjoy the video.